I'm Kimberly from Fat Quarter Shop, and I am in the Primrose Cottage booth at Nashville Needlework Market. I'm here with Lindsey and Katie, and they're going to talk about their new releases.
Hey guys, we're so excited to be here. This is our third Nashville Needlework Market, and we have some really fun things to show you. So we're going to start first. This is our 12 monthly minis. It is a monthly series with 12 patterns in one book. So everything is in one book. We use some really fun pins from Just Another Button Company to use some cute accents for these. And then our theme for 2024 Nashville was patriotic. So we did a lot of patriotic pieces this year. We have 4th of July rules. This is the 4th one in my rules series. And we actually did something fun this year. We deconstructed it and did pillows as well, so you can see it in both ways if you want to do it in one piece or just a pillow. And then there is a bonus chart in the booklet as well. And then we added for the 2024 cookbook that Needlework Market puts on, we did a piece, and this is the piece that matches our whole theme. And then over here we have patriotic Quaker, and then our red, white, and blue quilts. So these are really fun matchy pieces that you can put in a dough bowl together.
So you can like mix and match this whole
Yes.
section.
We wanted it to be very matchy so you can kind of make a whole little display if you want.
So now we're going to move to the other side of the room.
Okay, so last year we started a new thing where we're doing a snowman every year. We're designing a new one. This is Snowman 2024. And we have him on a custom paddle that our dad made for us. And he's really fun. He's in a fun little basket with some pomegranates. I really love this piece. And then Katie has a piece here.
And then here is Little White Christmas, and you get 3 of these charts in one chart. And we have the church, Peace on Earth, Joy to the World. And then we have the Little White House. And all 3 of those come in the chart.
And then we are finishing off with our Spring Quaker. Our Quaker series has been really fun. We've had a lot of great feedback from the series. So this one was our release. Along with the Patriotic Quaker, we did 2 for market. I'm really excited about this piece. It's just screams spring. And and then we have all of our other Quakers here pictured. And then we have a fun little cross-stitch journal that we've put together where we've put a chart in the journal. So you get a chart, there's stickers in the journal, and there's enough places to do about 20 projects to track in your journal.
And is the pillow the free pattern or the pattern that's included?
Yes, this pillow here is the pattern that's included in the journal.
So what has been your bestseller so far?
So I would say our bestseller is between the Spring Quaker and the 12 monthly minis.
Yes, actually.
The 12 monthly minis, a lot of people are excited. I think people really love monthly projects.
Mm-hmm.
They're really fun to do, and those are really small and doable.
Yeah,
So
definitely.
yeah.
And what's your favorite part of coming to market?
Just the energy and the creative energy that you get to be around. It's really fun. Like for me as a designer, going to the other booths and seeing everyone else's work, it's so fun. And just the excitement. I think it inspires us all to just want to stitch more.
And how can they find each of you on all the social medias?
So we all have our own account, but Primrose Cottage Stitches is probably the best way to find us, and we always tag each other. So
Yeah.
Awesome. Well, thank you for showing all your new beautiful pieces.
Thank you.